more than 50% participants from other than Tamil Nadu. So with this introduction, I now request our Dean, Dr. Sendil Kumar, to deliver the welcome address.
Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anna University Chennai, respected Registrar, today Chief Guest as well as alumni of Anna University Chennai, Dr. G. Pugalendi, Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, Director, Center for Constituent College, Anna University Chennai, Dr. Venkatesan, Professor and Head, Department of Petrochemical, Dr. Arunmoli, Program Coordinator, heads of the other department, faculty member, good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Sendil Kumar, Dean, University College of Engineering. I'm glad to welcome you all for the inaugural function of FDP, AICTE sponsor on recent trends in waste management technology. First and foremost, I would like to extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Anna University Chennai, Professor M.K. Surappa, to this inaugural section. I express sincere gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, who is an inspiring, dynamic, and visionary leader who had motivated, guide us on all aspects. Our Vice Chancellor tireless effort and made Anna University world-renowned institute. I take this opportunity to thank him personally for extending his kind support to BIT campus in all aspects. I like to mention the important milestone of at BIT campus Tiruchirappalli during Honorable Vice Chancellor tenure. The AICTE hostel worth of 2.5 crore had been constructed for benefit of hostel students. The protected boundary wall for 9.4 kilometers, which protects 354 acres, our campus was constructed in spite of many legal opposition during this tenure of our Honorable Vice Chancellor. Our Vice Chancellor as an instrumental tool in the construction of unfinished hostel in BIT campus with PWT on estimate of around 5.5 crores, which is nearing to completion. And the entrance arch with approach road lawn to add the beauty of BIT campus was sanctioned at a cost of 1.69 lakhs by our Honorable Vice Chancellor. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor has support to motivate us to research activity in BIT campus, 40 sponsored project with worth of 10 crores. I'm happy to point out BIT campus developed 11 products, out of them 7 were patents. With able guidance of Honorable Vice Chancellor, our students have won 2 first prizes Smart Hackathon competition in all over India. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor promote the entrepreneurship among the students. I'm proud to inform you that one of our students become an entrepreneur. Our alumni, Mr. M. Muruganandam, cleared in the UPSC exam and got IAS. He thanked our Vice Chancellor, our institute for the motivation and support. At this juncture, myself along with my team, proud to vouch our Honorable Vice Chancellor for vision and create the employable and creative engineer in our institution. I am very glad to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor for this inaugural session, AICTE sponsored online FTP program, recent trends in waste management technology. I welcome you, sir. I am glad to welcome our respected registrar, Dr. Karnamurthy sir, who is a source of our support for all administrative academic. I welcome you, sir. I am happy to welcome our Anna University alumni, our chief guest, Dr. G. Pugalendi, Professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Guwahati, and thank him to accept our invitation, deliver the chief guest address for this FDP. I thank you, sir, and I welcome you, sir. I welcome Professor S. Usha Nadesan, Director for Center for Constituent Colleges, Anna Chennai, who is a constant source of support in all our campus activity. I welcome you, madam. I welcome Dr. Venkatesan, Professor and Head, Dr. M. Arunmoli, FTP Coordinator, the heads of other department, faculty member who are present here. I am happy to welcome all participants to this FTP. I hope this FTP will be update your knowledge in field of waste management technology. I welcome once again for all of you for this inaugural session. Thank you, sir.
I thank Professor Sendil Kumar for the welcome address. Now, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor M.K. Surappa, an alumni of Indian Institute of Science, completed BE, MS, and PhD degree from Indian Institute of Science. After serving at various institutes like the Regional Laboratory Trivandrum, Drexel University, USA, University of Cambridge, UK, Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, Switzerland. He joined as assistant professor at IISc Bangalore and rose to the position of professor in the year 1998. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor has made outstanding contributions to the science and technology of metal matrix composites. For over 3 decades, he has pursued many innovative investigations on synthesis, processing, microstructure property correlation, and application development of MMCs based on light alloy matrices. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor has vast administrative experience, such as Honorary Secretary at Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology, Visiting Professor to Sir Vishveshwaraya Chair, University of Mysore, Founder Director of Indian Institute of Technology, Roper, for a period of 6 years, from 2009 to 15 onward. He served as Dean, Faculty of Engineering at Indian Institute of Science during the year 2016 and 17. Our Vice Chancellor received several awards, such as Vishveshwaraya Award, Fellow of Indian National Science Academy, INSA, Indian National Academy of Engineering, Karnataka State Open University honored him by awarding honorary degree of Doctor of Literature, Swarna Karnataka Rajyotsava Award by the Government of Karnataka, and Professor Rustam Koski Award for Excellence in Research and Engineering from the Indian Institute of Science, Amolya Award for Innovation, Metallurgist of the year 1998 by Government of India, MRSI Medal for the year 1997 from the Materials Research Society of India. So with this short introduction about our Honorable Vice Chancellor, I now invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor to deliver the inaugural address.
So good morning, Vanakkam, and good morning to all of you. The chief guest for this today's FDP program, Professor Pugalanti from the IIT Guwahati, and my own colleague and the Dean of the VIT campus of Anna University, Dr. Senthil Kumar. Then the Dr. Venkateshan, Professor and Head of the Petrochemical Technology, and the coordinators of this meeting, Dr. Arul Modi, Dr. Kumaraguru, Dr. Stalin, and all the faculty members and the colleagues at the VIT campus at the Anna University in Tiruchi, and all the attendees who are participating in this 5-day workshop organized by supported by the AICTE Atal online program and supported by them, but organized by the Petrochemical Department of the IIT, our Anna University campus of the Tiruchi campus of the Anna University, VIT campus. And they have chosen the right topic. I'm glad that actually, I've been I always feel very happy that VIT campus Tiruchi is doing a very great job in research, innovation, in training program, in projects, in startups. I think it's a very, very active campus. It's doing a great job, and I want them to do more. I should not. I feel very happy, but it's still much more. More people are there. If you all join together, we can really rise to the very high level. We can become, almost like an university status. Okay, that's how I noticed that have a big campus and all the potential, all the people working. I think it's a little more dedication, people coming together, working together. It will significantly change the campus ecosystem. And you have, first of all, congratulate the Department of Petrochemical Technology for taking this initiative and organizing this workshop, or the FTP workshop teaching team on the recent trends in the waste management technologies. This is a very hot topic with the present day because, with the increased consumption in every sectors of life, the waste generation has become a very great concern for the society and the public and the government. And the waste of all kinds, it could be municipal waste, it could be medical waste, it could be electronic waste, it could be even the construction building debris waste, and all this waste accumulation has become a big problem for the government to handle. This accumulation of the waste and the improper disposal is causing a great environmental damage. There's a pollution of the water, pollution of the environment, and many things, many undesirable things, and the climate changes. All these things are being contributed by what inefficient handling of the waste, our waste that we have generated, and somehow our country is not really has reached that level where waste can be properly disposed. In fact, chemical waste, industrial waste, we have seen that one, the kind of agitation that took place recently, the kind of industrial chemicals that is being polluting the water, and consequently the related ecosystem, even the birds, animals, and things like that. So it's a very big problem. We need to attend very carefully. This also must be a proper, in the school textbook itself. I think I feel people need to be educated and create awareness on how we can handle this waste, manage the waste, right from the household kitchen, women in the kitchen, to the industrial empires, and to the medical doctors, to the hospitals. I think this needs to be very done carefully, and I'm glad that petrochemical technology has taken, and the consequence of this improper, inefficient handling of the waste has caused a lot health damage, health issues to the people. The water pollution, people drinking the water, and the polluted water, and causing a lot of health issues, and also the fatality of the life. The discharge of the waste into the water, causing a sea, this fish and all these things dying, and other environmental damage. So sectorial handling of this waste and holistic handling of the waste, we need to develop technologies how we can handle. One is a manual how you handle this waste, how you collect this waste and segregate this waste, and what kind of a technology you use to dispose of the waste or convert the waste into energy, convert the waste into money, wealth. So these are all the technologies which are coming. These technologies now can come in a variety of ways. It could be a thermal route, called what you call this thermal route of burning of this waste, or pyrolysis processes, and biological routes, and chemical routes, and lot of what you call this various catalysis can change this one. Bacteria can change this way, convert this waste into a disintegrate this kind of a waste, like a chemical waste into a, into more useful, where it can be handled very carefully. And so, you have multiple technologies, and the technologies are being developed continuously by the various team, chemistry people, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, right from crushing to the handling of this waste. It's a big under thing. So, we all these, although people don't work on this waste technology, because anybody working on a waste will be considered as, he's not doing that work, he's handling some waste and all these things. It is not true. There's a lot of science, there's a lot of technology in converting this waste into a wealth, converting the waste into the energy, waste into the other useful products. We have seen many of these waste like fly ash and all being used in the concrete and in the bricks and all. So you must think a very holistic way how we can use and handle this waste. Waste can be used by making a byproducts, making a products, and so that they eliminate the use of natural resources as a substitute for natural resources. Then how we can disintegrate this waste and recover the materials, useful products, and how you convert into energy, and how you can bury this, take care of this waste in a very safe manner. So all these things, I think it's a very large area which our country needs to do a lot more work and implement it properly. So I'm glad this workshop would bring together a lot of experts, exchange of ideas. The faculty will learn from this one, and when you go back, they can initiate the projects. So many things can be done. So we wish all these participants in the workshop to pick up the brains from the experts who will be delivering the talk and think about it. We want to initiate projects. So these various bodies will grant funding now for this waste, for the waste handling management and the technological management of this waste. So I wish this workshop a great thing, encourage the people, and have a great deliberations, and for all of you. So I wish you all the best. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your motivating words, sir. Your informative inaugural address. This 5 days program will cover various topics and mentioned by you, and which will lead to the resulting in new project proposals on liquid and solid waste management. With these few words, I would like to share few words about our chief guest of today's inauguration function, Dr. Pugalenthi, professor from Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. He is an alumni of Anna University, Chennai, and Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. He worked at Non-Ferrous Materials Technology Development Center, Hyderabad, before joining as faculty at IIT Guwahati in the year 2006. His area of research includes membrane separation, polymer nanocomposites, nanomaterials, adsorption, and wastewater treatment. He was organizing chairman for GATE 2018, chairman for GATE and JAM 2017 and 2016, and holds several administrative posts at IIT Guwahati, like convener for hostel allotment committee, secretary for undergraduate and postgraduate programs committee, external examiner for University Tunku Abdul Rahman, Malaysia. And Professor Pugalenthi is a recipient of many awards and honors, such as IEI Young Engineers Award in Chemical Engineering for the year 2012 and 13. 3 of his guided MTech theses awarded Ambuja's Young Researchers Award in the year 2008, 2010, and 2016. And one of his guided PhD theses is awarded with Professor Shyamal Kanti Sanyal Memorial Award for the best PhD thesis in the area of membrane research in the year 2018 by the Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers. Above all, he is a good-hearted and a simple personality who can be approached at any time easily for any help and suggestions. With these words, I now request our chief guest, Professor Pugalenthi, to deliver the address.
Yeah, thank you. So, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anna University, Professor M.K. Surappa, and the Dean of BIT campus, Professor Senthil Kumar, and coordinators of this FDP program, Professor Arulmozhi and Professor Kumaraguru and Professor Stalin, and head of the Department of Petrochemical Technology, Professor S. Venkatesan, and faculty members of BIT campus, and distinguished guests and participants. So very good morning to all. So it is my great pleasure to be here, particularly for this, to the inauguration of this FDP program on recent trends in waste management and technology. So as Professor M.K. Surappa has clearly advised us to look into this, the waste management, and as he clearly told that many of us, we think that if you work in the solid waste management, people always comment that we are the dirty fellows. Okay, that's why you can find only very few colleagues or faculty members work in this area of solid waste management, but you can find a lot of people working on liquid waste management, particularly the wastewater treatment. And since before going to this topic, since I'm alumni of Anna University, Chennai, so as you all know this, and I regularly visit the Anna University campus, as well as other Anna University colleges, particularly to participate in conferences and short-term courses, and as well as like helping in the PhD students' thesis, Viva, and as well as writing or helping in the project proposals. And every year I used to take a few students from Anna University, since from a link to the Anna University, to help the students for summer term project. So every year at least I take 2 to 3 students from Anna University colleges, under Anna University colleges. And apart from that, I would like to share one of the good news about your alumni, particularly this Anna University Trichy campus, who has worked with, who was graduated undergraduate from Anna University Trichy campus in the Department of Petrochemical Technology, and later he joined with me for his MTech and PhD program, and he has completed both MTech PhD program in 5 years. He is one of the very good student. And Mr. Dr. Vinod Kumar, I hope you remember who taught the course. Currently he is heading the Department of Chemical Engineering at NIT Andhra Pradesh. So it is a very good privilege to such a alumni from Anna University. He is one of the best students whatever I guided. I have not I've guided at least 11 students. In that, he is one of the good students. So what I want to say that, like, you try to promote this the good students to grow up and do like in the research areas. so that they can be contributing for the country as a very good faculty member. So apart from this, actually the FTP program specifically talks about recent advantages or trends on waste management technology, which is the very need of the hour. And we all know that India and as well as the other countries, the thermal power plant produces huge quantity of fly ash. So among that, so only few percentage was used in the cement industries and construction industries and fire breaks industries. So remaining around 38% of leftover. So these industries, they dump this fly ash in the land. Okay, so that way this land gets polluted. So the government every year they propose a program to take up or treat this or use this fly ash for certain applications. So there is a fly ash mission program in DST. So one can apply there to promote or some of the research related to fly ash. Okay, so this is one area one can look into that and do some innovative work to use of these fly ash for different applications. And apart from that, in India's major cities, particularly like Chennai, Trichy, and Bombay, all the cities produces the waste, the solid waste. They dump it outskirts of the city, and you can see that waste is that the solid leachate, the liquid leachate also creates a trouble to the like a land, and as well as it gives the bad smell and it is affect our health and as well as our environment. So we all have to contribute to improve the system and bring something which can be affordable to everyone to treat this solid waste. And in addition to this, as all we know, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has also initiated a drive to reduce the plastic waste and particularly this waste generated from the plastic. So I hope with all his guidance, we could able to put efforts. Every citizen has to put effort to stop the waste generation, particularly from the plastic. So that way we can save our country and save the world. So the topics covered in this program, in FDP program, starting from e-waste to the industrial waste and domestic waste. Okay, so this covers completely all this waste management, and the expert, all the professionals, particularly this senior professors are going to deliver the lecture around, I think I came to know this, 11 to 12 professors are going to deliver the lecture on this topic. And particularly in India, in current scenario, even in the COVID-19 pandemic situation, the hospitals and as well as the COVID care centers, there are many COVID care centers, the colleges and hostels have generated like huge waste, which is also again the treatment wise we are struggling. Okay, even in the entire Assam, IIT Guwahati is helping to do this, the treatment of the waste disposal of waste generated from this COVID care center and hospital. And including in our campus, there are 4 centers, 4 hostels they've selected, including guest house. So we are helping them to treat this solid waste generated from that. So I'm confident that this FDP will provide an excellent platform to get or share the new ideas and knowledges towards waste management and handling and treating of this waste. And with this, I would like to thank the organizers, or particularly the coordinators, for inviting me to the inaugural ceremony and as well as to deliver a talk. The first talk I already delivered. So I hope to give some more in the future. And with this, I hope we will be having an exciting and interesting online lecture in the next 6 to 7 days. And once again, I thank you all and wish you all the best. And thank you. Stay safe. Jai Hind.
Okay. Okay. Nothing to worry. You know, I'm enjoying this on my job. Okay.
Thank you very much, Professor Pugarendi, for your very informative morning lecture. I also thank you for supporting us and our students by the way of internships, PhD guidance, and your mentorships and guidance whenever we approach you. Thank you very much, sir. I'm very much privileged to say a few words about this AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy online faculty development program on recent trends in waste management technologies, to be held for 5 days from today to October 16th, organized by the Department of Petrochemical Technology, University College of Engineering, Anna University, Tiruchirappalli. Waste management includes collection, transport, treatment, and disposal of waste, together with
Yeah.
monitoring and regulation of the waste management process. So we received 260 applications from all over India, out of which 200 applications were selected based on the relevance to the area of research and first come, first served basis. There are total of 16
Oh, all right.
sessions planned.
Let's go back to the deans.
Yes.
Out of the 14 sessions,
Prakash sir is here.
lectures will be
Because TD is on the way.
Ah.
So till then, till that, he would like to join.
14 lectures will be delivered by the experienced faculty members from reputed institutions, namely Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, IIT Mandi, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, University of Queensland, Australia, Anna University, Chennai, and Tiruchirappalli, Annamalai University, etc. E-certificates will be issued by All India Council for Technical Education to those participants who have attended the program with minimum of 80% attendance and a score of 60% marks in the test, which will be conducted on the last day of the session. Online platform for the lectures will be shared through the WhatsApp group formed including all the participants every day, and also through the participants' email. I request all the participants to attend the program to the full swing. I thank you all once again. I now request Dr. Venkatesan, Professor and Head, Department of Petrochemical Technology of our institute, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning. It is my privilege to propose vote of thanks for AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored FDP, Online Faculty Development Program on Recent Trends and Waste Management Technologies. And first of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Surappa, for inspiring us and motivating us to work on collaborative research and to conduct such meetings and programs and projects for the benefit of the university as well as the benefit of the faculty members. And also I thank our chief guest, Dr. Pugulendi. He is of course, he is a mentor for our department. He is constantly interacting with our department as we are applying for a center of excellence in a particular area, petrochemical field, to the Ministry of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, and he was really guiding us to write the proposal and to answer the queries. And really thanks for coming up again and giving us, enlightening us on various topics. You have done a lot of research, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And also I like to thank our Dean, Dr. T. Senthilkumar, sir. He is a constant inspiration, and he is really is our guide for all our faculty members. He does a lot of friendliness, and he makes things very easier for all of us to doing the research as well as to conduct the programs. So I welcome, sir. I thank you very much, sir, for coming and participating and giving motivating us. Thank you, sir. And also I like to thank all the participants from various parts of the country, and also from maybe some few participants from abroad also. And thanks for coming all the way and joining us. And this program is going to be definitely of enlightening for everybody, because as our Professor Vice Chancellor said, this is the right time to work on waste management technologies, not only on the liquid or solid waste, and we have to look into e-waste side also. It's creating a lot of problem for our country. So that is where we have to focus and we have to work on it. So, and also I thank the coordinators for organizing such programs for the benefit of the department and benefit of the college. So I like to thank Dr. M. Arulmoli, Professor, Department of Petrochemical Technology, as well as Dr. Kumaraguru and Dr. Stalin, sir, for doing this activities and bringing together all the participants in one platform and make it convenient to attend this program and to get more knowledge of sharing this. So with these words, I like to thank the organizers for giving me opportunity, and as well as thank for everybody to join this program. Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you.
மேடம் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க மேம்.
It is muted, madam.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Venkatesan, for delivering the vote of thanks. I thank Honorable Vice Chancellor for sparing his valuable time in attending this inauguration function. Thank you very much, sir. I thank all the participants, and we shall be joining within few minutes for the next lecture. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Dear participants, you can stay in this link for the next lecture to be delivered by Professor Tenmari from Annamalai University. Please, she will be joining in few minutes. Please stay in this link itself.
மேடம் குமரகுரு மேடம்.
குரு சார் வராங்க சார். அடுத்த லெக்சர் இங்கே கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம் சார்.
மேடம் நீங்க வீடியோ மீட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க மேடம்.
Dear participants, I hope we'll be solving this problem of letting more than 100 participants in the afternoon. So all 200 of you can join by the afternoon through the newly formed Google newly formed link. So that will be solved before afternoon. Now I request you to kindly bear with the inconvenience caused. Now the second lecture is about to start.